Good news for adventurous and enduro bicycle fans, as recently rumors spread about the legendary Honda NX 650 Dominator coming back, but with a 500cc engine. Although previously Honda launched the NX 500 at the EICMA Motor Show, it does not seem to be enough to satisfy the desire of the Dominator fans. Strangely enough, the famous motorcycle designer Oberdan Bezi gave an idea of how the legendary motorbike would look in the future and named it the Street Dominator 500T. The Honda NX 650 Dominator is a motorcycle that doesn't need to be introduced. It's an iconic model in the Tokyo manufacturer's lineup, a road enduro powered by a 644cc single-cylinder engine, which remained on the list from 1988 to 22. Well, now they're imagining the return of that bike. It's designer Oberdan Bezi, who created a new vision of the Honda Street Dominator 500T. The designers imagine a Dominator powered by a two-cylinder 500cc engine instead of a 650cc air-cooled engine. Therefore, the engine could be a parallel twin of 471cc of the new CB500 and CL500 series, possibly adapted for this new model. This is not a mono that will allow for better comfort in terms of vibration and a greater likelihood for medium and long-distance travel. A new hypothetical double-cylinder version of the Dominator 500T that ignores any off-road prerogatives and focuses exclusively on asphalt. With a wealth of rubber-shaped Velg 17 appearance, a revised suspension, and a low lift for a vehicle with an aggressive look between a road crossover and a supermotard, but in reality it doesn't lose any of the characteristics of classic versatility, pleasure, and ease of driving. This version instead improves the highway holding and bending capabilities that are typical of highway motorcycles. According to the designer, it would be a motorcycle with controllable power and low weight, which can make the young people who want real motorcycles fall in love overall. Honestly, we hope that the introduction of the Honda NX 500 will revive the Dominator series, but it turns out to be far from expected. Thanks for watching.